Mendagasi hinang yo sa new teliki active cases baru ki total active cases sa state Meghalaya hadu menta kilong Sanpho. East Khasi Hills kilong Arpukandai, Ribhoi district kilong Khatsan, Southwest Garo Hills kilong 2, East Jantia Hills 1, West Garo Hills 3, 43 recovered. Bangla let test baru hapo ki composite hospital hapo BSF Rumpling. Total ke bala dep test kelong praspa Andrubusan ki positive case are fulai. Ke report negatif kelong Sanspa Andrupuar but ke report ke banginang up. Ya ke result kelong adu aspa Prapuwe. Kitu ki barang pha nagabanta ban test baru adu banta. Berapa bentes kilong Arpwe Hajar Praspa Arpulai.
In place, I would like to inform you that we further strengthen the entry points. Now we further strengthen the entry points, be it the armed forces, be it the civilian. They need to go through these two systems that we already have in place. Number one is, as I said to you, immediately rapid test has to be taken from the entry point, and thereafter RT-PCR sample will be collected. Today in the review meeting headed by our Chief Minister, we have discussed all the details, pros and cons of this specific event that has happened on the 27th, as well as when they come back, again small reception has taken place somewhere in Shillong. Immediately after coming back from that border Khanapara, straight again to Shillong, on the second they had one small reception of the bride and groom. So we discussed all the detail about this, and ultimately, because yesterday we have already instructed both the Deputy Commissioner to conduct inquiry to all these lapses that has happened. So tomorrow we are getting the report from both the Deputy Commissioner. One is East Khasi Hills and number 2 is Ribhoi district. And then once the report is in place, tomorrow we are going to take a decision finally. But let me just tell you, let me warn today, this evening through all of you, kindly communicate this to all the citizens of the state. You cannot play, just please not play life. Anybody who are responsible, they'll be put to bar. That is the message that I would like to tell you. Anybody who does not comply the protocols, the notifications issued by the government from time to time, they will be put to bar. Kini baru kita kemilayo saupuengut kita keladon matahapo quarantine center. All of them, tenrei nakaliang joka health department, nakaliang joka team joka doctor ki nurses ki staff baru menta kita ngaya ia kaneka ka contact tracing. And today evening decide to hapo ka review meeting jongi ba IDHS in I ke public notice yo mano ki akendo bat kini ki breu yo kidon kanu ka kontak ka bayajan batno bakin sngau bahana do mentari janmit bakin immediately kin phone yau tu number shispa pra ngakwa banyathu ya pi bahadu mentaka sngi ka situation hapo ka jela jongi kamde ka babha kambha nringim dei pat bante kabang kerpat lem baju pisngau bha ailem ya kena kubuat bat kabang ngakerpat na kalian ke surkar kalong bang ngi kerpat rit kum ke surkar ya uwei pakawei kinong sok snong na kejela jungi bakin yale kat bala ban numi than sabar lane banwan sislong lane banle chenong po lane syakan no jaka ke bagis ne udai kam ke bis ngodon kam banle lada mde ka kam ka badon kam e. Kin sngo ba ban take care le ban yadaya le di. But haduk mentang ho ngis ngungu bau blei trai krenat udon rengkat ban ngi. Kampat don kata ka community spread. Henrei nga ong ya pi ka situation kambha. Well, I think right now I will not say anything on that. But if the situation worsen or if the situation continue to be grim, I think we have no option.